Hello, today we are roasting Charged Max. Because he roasted Kaka and he's cringe. Do you support racism?
Yes, law.
I spot that friends, because I can't. Notice how my avatar so looks better than yours. Cringe warning.
We let the wheel decide. That means you have to buy this one. Now, let me get my wallet.
Bro really scammed him and didn't give him the Robux. How dare you do such a thing? I feel embarrassed for Kaka. Maybe he should make shorts as good as mine.
Guys, I'm crying so much because Clown Joe got terminated from YouTube. Clown Joe did nothing wrong and he still got terminated.
I have a crush on you, cute single. If you're seeing this video, I want you to know that I want to go on a date with you. I hope you can accept me. I know we would be the perfect match. Please say yes.
Oh my gosh, you can become a capybara in Roblox right now.
Put your finger here. Bye everyone. Have a great day and be sure to subscribe. As I am very close to 1K subs, thanks and bye.